Hello dear student, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. This is your EVS teacher and today I am going to teach you the very first chapter of your EVS book, that is about me. This chapter relates with the topic my body, the 5 sense organ and the body care. So now let's begin the chapter. You all already know about your body parts. What are the body parts? The head, chest, eyebrows, hair, stomach, hands, legs, etc. These are the body parts. Our body is a wonderful machine with many parts. Each part of the body has something important to do. That is, each part of the body has assigned some work to do. The body parts are divided into two types, that is external body parts and internal body parts. What are the external body parts? So basically the external body parts help us to move around and perform our daily work. For example, eyes. The eyes help us to see. What is the role of ear? The ear help us in hearing. What is the role of the hand? We can write with our hand, we can clap with them. Similarly, what we can do with our legs? We can walk with them, we can jump with them, we can run, we can dance, etc. Now, what are the internal body parts? Internal body parts are those parts which we cannot see them. They are inside our body, so we cannot see them. For example, heart, lungs and kidney. The main difference between the internal body parts and the external body part is this, that we can see the external body parts, but we cannot see the internal body parts. The external body parts, we can touch the external body parts, but we cannot touch the internal body parts. Now let's move to the other topic, that is sense organ. What is sense organ? The sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste and feel. And the 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. The eyes help us to see the world around us. A pair of ears help us to hear different sounds. The nose help us to smell. The tongue help us to taste. And the tongue also help us to speak. The skin covers the body and it helps us to feel the things that are hot, cold, soft and hard. So basically the sense organs help us to understand something or recognize something. They give us the ability to understand something. Now let's move to the other topic of this chapter, that is body care. What do you understand by body care? Body care means taking care of our body, because our body is a wonderful gift to us. Following good practices help us in taking care of our body. So how do we take care of our body? Our body needs good food, proper diet to stay healthy. We need good food, water, healthy diet, etc. We can take care of our body by adopting good habits. So now let's see some good habits that will help us in keeping our body healthy. First, eat fresh and healthy food. Drink plenty of clean water and avoid junk food. We need to eat healthy food to stay healthy. Second, exercise daily. Play outdoor games regularly. Third, do not watch too much TV and do not sit close to the TV screen. Otherwise, it will harm your eyes. Fourth, maintain a good posture while standing, sitting or walking. Fifth, go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. Sixth, you must brush your teeth twice daily. Keep your nails short and clean. Seventh one is have a bath every morning. Wash your hair regularly. Comb it neatly. Eighth, wash your hands before and after having your meals. Ninth, chew the food well. Do not stuff your mouth with food. Rinse your mouth water after every meal. Following these practices will help us stay healthy and happy. So what we concluded from this chapter is, our body is a wonderful machine with many parts, and there are two types of body parts, that is external body part and internal body parts. External body parts are seen outside the body and internal body parts are inside the body. We have 5 sense organs in our body, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And our body needs good food and proper care to be healthy, and following good practices will help us to stay healthy. That's all for today. Thank you.